So, Amazon just introduced something which has got publishers worried, which is called identity identity verification. Is rolling out to auto. We can read from this place. It said, "We are committed to protecting those who publish with us and those who buy book on Amazon." So, as part as part of this effort, we are beginning to ask authors and publishers to verify their identity for details. So what we're going to do now, we're going to read through and see the criteria for that. For you to see this, all you have to do is just log into your dashboard, then click on the app button above. You can see the app button here, which is this app. Click on it and you will see all this I'm talking about. So now we're going to read all these articles and I'll be verifying this and see how it goes. So I just want you to stay put and see what is in. It's all about business. There is no need for you to panic at all. There is no need for you to panic. All you have to do is just follow the rules and regulations. And I have some things I think it's very important. So now let's just click on that. Let's go to the verification. Now look at how to verify your identity. So first of all, they are rolling it. It's not, I don't think it's out yet. So to verify your identity, we encourage you to use another mobile device. That is the first thing. You'll be using another device, as they've said. So it's very important. That means you need another phone to do this. That is the essence why they talked about the mobile device here. So they say it is easier to upload a photo from your phone or tablet. To get started, follow this step. Number one, log into your KDP under your account. Go to your identity, enter or review your information, e.g., full name, address, date of birth, then the name on your account should match. I think this is the most important one here. Should match your ID. And there's something I said, but before I show you what I said, let's just read to the end of this. Save your information if you make changes. Click verify identity, click an ID type and the country. So if you're Nigeria, you know we have the voters card, we have the national ID slip or the card, we have the international passport. Among these three, one they should be accepted. So then submit for verification. Now look at it said verification only takes few minutes. Few minutes means it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 10, it can be 60 minutes, it can be 120 minutes, depending on what they call few minutes. Then the next one we want to check it and will notify you once it's complete. If your legal name has changed recently and your ID hasn't updated, read this instruction. Note, if you are asked to verify identity, access to KDP publishing. Look at, if you are asked to verify your identity, access to KDP publishing feature will be restricted until you complete this process. That means just like before you can publish, you are told to update your account. So I don't think there's any way to panic. Now look at what we see. It said, is my information safe if I verify my identity? We designed our system trying to tell you it's saved. But what happened if you fail to identify? I hate this one. Look at it here. Such as closing your account. You can see such as closing your account. That means this is very, very important. Now, let's do the verification process. What I will do now is to click on your account. So I'm going to click on your account. Let's just click on your account. It's going to open all this. Before, I just use any kind of random names. I never knew something like this will come up, but no need to panic. All we're going to do is to make sure we verify our identity when this is up. And sure, they said we should use a different mobile phone. If it gives me an issue, there is no need. I can look for a friend's phone and just do this. But let's just wait for this to load. I think this, if you're having issue with your network, it's either, if you're having issue with this loading, it's either your network is slow or you have to use a laptop. But now it's opening. Let's go and see. You can see from here that says edit identity, which is very, very important. So now that means we now have the feature. Finally, it's here, edit identity. But I said something in something I think we should read over here. I said something, I said, ensure, let's just say, I said, ensure the name on your ID matches the name on your dashboard. This is what I said. But I just want to add some level of the, I said, ensure the name on your Amazon.com is same as your KDP. This might not be 100% true, but for the sake of safety, you know your name on Amazon can still be used on kdp.amazon.com. So I advise you, you edit both of them before doing the verification. So now you can see from here we have, I said if you are using a friend ID, ensure it matches as well, because some of you want to use multiple account, then so ensure it matches as well. So you can see from here, I already have 2 tabs, which is my Amazon account tab, which is this one, and I have the Kindle Direct. I'll be editing both of them. So let me still put to this one. From here, I want to go down from here and see if my name from here matches. Okay, my identity has all been placed in one place. You can see we have account holder name, which is this. So let's say I'm using something like Moses John, and that's what I have on my ID. That means I'm going to come to my account details and see what's there. So now from here we have account details. Let me click on account details and see if it comes up. Okay, let's move down. Edit identity. Let's see if anything come up. So just patiently wait and see what comes down. Then okay, now you enter your details as it appears on your government. This, let's see, you can see we can now change the name. You can change your country. You can see from here we have the star. The star means they are very, very important. You can't really do without it. It means you must fill this, you must fill this, you must fill this, you must fill all this with stars, but this is not important because you can see there is no star there. So now when you enter that and you discover those names are good, that's what you have. You can see we can move them to other details, date of birth, you can see phone number. Let's just continue with this. We have Nigeria. Let's move on to the next phase and see what they ask for this. So I'm going to just click on save and continue. Let's see the date of birth. Let me just enter any random, and then this, let's just put 2001. If your ID has date of birth, ensure this is very true about it. Let's click on save and continue. Then your identity, let's see, your account security is a priority. What's your identity? What is identity verification? I'm trying to do something and I've not seen anything here. Let's see if we have any other stuffs. Okay, let me just click on save and continue and see what the next phase of this. If they are taking us to identity verification, then if it's not up yet, then we're going to patiently wait and see, okay, the same, we don't have anything. The next thing here is tax information. I've not seen the part I'm looking for, which is identifying your stuff. Okay, but I just brought you to this phase, which I think it's very key. And I said, if all this, your identity, you see, okay, what if my identity change? Account security is a priority. What is my identity verification? Let's just read this and see what they're trying to tell us. It seems they have not rolled the features. They're just trying to tell us before you publish. I'm just trying to tell you, in case anything come up like this and there's need for you to do that, just verify it immediately. Okay, as you can see, this is the desktop side of my phone. Now you can see there is no tab currently called upload. So immediately you see something like upload, please ensure all these matches because this was just released. So I'll be making other videos. Immediately I see the features called upload, and I just want you to be aware of what is on ground. So don't panic. Don't panic. So I'm telling our publishers, there's no need panicking. This is just an high level of security. We pray this fix the blocking of a thing or the termination, because the blocking of a thing, if this is the reason they are blocking books, then let's just fix it. Nigerians, Ghana, just ensure you put your stuff when they are up. And finally, please, if you want to do that for your Amazon account.com, it's so simple. Just go to www.amazon.com. Definitely is going to open. Log in if you're not logged in. Then click on this place on your, okay. I'm trying to get this. I don't know how to dismiss this. All right, you can see the top section of here. Just click on that place. If you're on a desktop site, you're going to see something different. Just move down to you see login and security. You can see login and security. Just click on login and security. Definitely is going to open and tell you to sign in with your password. When you sign in, it's going to tell you edit your name and other stuff. So put your name and change it and save it. I don't want to just go in too far. All right, I believe this is very, you learned something from this, and your mind should be calm. There's no need panicking. There's no need shouting. If you're using your friend details, use your friend details. Ensure the ID. I don't think they will introduce facial verification. All they want is just the document. So we are still safe, except it comes to facial verification. It might be a challenge. But now let's see what they are accepting. We don't know Nigerians if they are accepting your NIN slip, or you need your voter's card, or you need your driving license, or you even need your international passport. But whatever be the case, subscribe to my channel so that when I make the next video on this, you will get how I did mine. So like this video, share to your friends so that everyone is calm, because I saw an uproar, so I decided to make this video on time so that you can stay calm. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for sharing to your friend. I'll see you in the next video.